Hello everyone, my name is Nat. Today we're going to talk about science. It's called, a part of the cells. And to that part, we're going to talk two parts. The first part is called the diffusion, and second part is called osmosis. So we're going to talk about each slowly. But when you talk about cells, you need to talk about eukaryotic cells. And if you talk about eukaryotic cells, you talk about organelles. So first, organelle is a structure within a cell that does sufficient job to keep the cells functioning. That's the first one, and all two of these is in the organelles. But if you talk about organelles, you will talk about cell membrane because that's an important part of cell organelles. So cell membrane is a flexible outer layer of the cells, and this allows good thing in and bad thing to out. So that's the good thing of cells. Just give out the good thing, like nutrients and water in, and bad thing like bad chemicals out. And that's what cell membrane do. And now we'll talk about the cell membrane, and then you'll talk about diffusion actually. And diffusion is a spontaneous movement of the molecule from an area of high concentration to an area of low concentration until equilibrium is reached. So it's like this. It don't reduce energy. It's like this. It's move the thing from a high place to a low place. So it don't need to use energy to do this. To do by itself. And do it through nutrients and water, like our blood cells. And the next one is osmosis. It's a process of distributing water across semi-permeable membrane to disrupt higher concentration of particles. So this actually uses energy. It uses energy in this pump in, and it uses a protein, is a pumper, to pump protein in. And two of these is called active transport. And active transport is a movement of a molecule and ions across a cell membrane, and it's going from an area of low concentration to an area of high concentration. So both of them is active transport, organelles, and cell membrane in the cell membrane. So now, how do you tell the difference? So the difference is like this. This is organisms, right? And then here is a pure water, and the pure water gonna get through the osmosis and going to be solution. And here is a solution. The bars, the diffusion is different, and it's in different ways. So I already tell you that is in high concentration. But here, high spot, and then come to a low spot like this. So the nutrients in the water get down. That's how they do it. Just click, it's fine. I hope you enjoy this video. Bye, see you next time.